Hi, I'm Carrie Aikenhead. I'm a certified teacher and one of our product developers here at Really Good Stuff. Today I want to show you our Learning Success Kit for 4th grade. Here we have the activity book, which features a family letter in English and in Spanish. And this guide will help walk the family or the teacher through all of the activities that we have here. Each kit features at least 18 different activities, so there's plenty of material for rigorous practice and developing new skills. Here, the set includes 5 double-sided dry erase mats that feature math and ELA skill practice. It also comes with a dry erase marker because we know not all kids have that at home. So we want to provide that for them and make sure they have all the tools they need for success. While we're talking about tools, we also have a few different tools to help social emotional and reading as well. This informational text and literature card will help students track using the yellow acetate window, and they can ask questions to check for understanding as they go. This tool here is a social emotional learning tool, the infinity symbol breathing card. Students will have the sensory experience of breathing in and breathing out, and they use that as a calming tool in the classroom. Here we have a math tool, which is a double-sided ruler, which students can look at and have a color-coded visual of different fractions and where they fall along the number line. The kit also features 3 journals. 1 mixed math journal, where students can practice different skills throughout the grade level, and 2 ELA journals, spinning stories, where students can spin to find out what their setting, character, and mystery item is going to be, and the either or journal, where students can practice opinion writing and say they either want this or that, and why they would prefer it, and give detail behind it, which will enrich their writing. This kit also includes a game, the Area and Perimeter Build-A-Zoo, where students can practice learning area and perimeter in a fun way. This kit also features a Reading Comprehension Journal. It gives prompts where students can practice their responses on text-related questions.